this is so you can access the motor and the tank for the outrigger assemblies. The cylinder on that. So all the control systems. Bedroom, closets, drawers, beautiful big ass ice box. More drawers, overhead compartments like an airplane, all kinds of them, all kinds of stuff. It's got a carousel oven, 4-burner stove oven, and a carousel microwave. It's a convection oven. You can put metal in it. Beautiful bathroom, all new fixtures. Everything works, all the switches. The engine is running right now. It's about this loud when you're going down the highway. It's a 3208 cat, turbocharged. About 270 horse right in there. The button's been changed in the pump, I'm sure. It has a lot of power. It's got air seats, slide, everything works. I'm having a problem with the RPM gauge. The altimeter, stereo, CB, all that stuff works. Let's see, what else can I say? It's got 2 TVs, a DVD, VCR, and a descrambler for the antenna assembly, which is in here. And that all rotates and goes up and down and does all its stuff. Controls in the bedroom for the light and the alarm systems, they all function correctly. It's got about 162,000 miles on it now. Got an Allison automatic transmission. I'll let you listen. New belts, new hoses, filters, service. I tuned it up. It's a very good old cat. Like I said, it's probably got about 162,000 miles on it by what I can gauge. It's in really good shape. And that's what you hear when you're going down the road. Dog house is awesome. Air conditioning systems. The center air conditioning system needs to be serviced. I haven't repaired that one, but all the others work. The electric heaters. Underneath the seat, there's a little prize. There's a hole. You pull that out with the belts. Pull the other plate out, and it's got an inboard vault. And I got the key. And the combination. So Nice, huh? Well, that's the end of these two videos. Have a nice day.